faction that is left the MDC. The MDC alliance is just like a faction. The PDP, remember the PDP? The BTT. The MDC Green, the renewal. These are factions that have left the MDC. Morgen Komichi, they could have never left the MDC. I remember in one of our meetings, when we were being tortured by the standing committee chaired by Osman, a few weeks ago, a few months ago, I told them that I will not resign from MDC. All of you, you leave MDC and you leave me there. I'll be the last person to leave this building, and I'll be buried under this building. That's exactly what I was referring to. Today they've all left, and I'm here with my team. So I'll be buried here. So this is the MDC that was led by Morgen Tsvangirai, which we are now leading. We did not join Madam Group, we've come together and lead MDC that was led by Morgen Tsvangirai. Nelson and other guys have left MDC. So those are actually the factions. The three killers of power are here. Parliament we're in charge of Parliament, that is MDC. We're in charge of the building, that is MDC. And we're in charge of the party. Well, that's MDC. The alliance is a new formation. And we want them to go peacefully. We want them to operate peacefully somewhere else. Do their own business. You will never hear that this leadership has sent youth to go and attack them wherever they're holding their meetings. We will never do that. 2 days ago they were holding a meeting at Masasa. We knew about it. But we never bothered to disturb them. Because we are the original party. We respect our core values of the organization, which is the non-violence, the love, the freedom of individuals, the peace of this, of the Zimbabwean. That's what we believe in, strongly believe in. Some of us, when we take out my issues, we don't want to cheat you or to lie to you. We strongly believe in these values and want to establish a nation that believes in these values. But we must start before establishing a party that believes in these values, so that the party cadres will become the missionaries of these values to the nation, so that we can develop the economy of this country for the benefit of the people, so that we can remove the factionalism, the polarization that is there in this country, where all people work together, whether you are in Devela, you are in Tonga, you are in Manyika, you are in Karanga, you are in Zulu, you are united for a common cause. That's what we want. We are a serious team, democratic, dedicated, and we will defend these values with our lives. So I want to throw a warning shot to those renegades that they will not succeed. They will not succeed. We might appear small today, but I want to tell you the truth.